Wilton Hunt over here. Whenever you get a negative review on Google and you do know that that profile is a fake profile, you get to flag it and get that taken down. And let me show you how to do that. So far, you can only flag a profile, a fake profile, from a Google Map app itself, from your mobile app. You cannot flag it from desktop or even just a mobile search. You have to do that from a Google Map app. Once you go in there, I'm just using Subway as an example here. Look up your own business and hit on reviews. Then what you will see is find that review, and you will know who is that person who is leaving you a review. And that say, if you do know for a fact this is a fake person, a fake profile, then what you do is you hit the little three dots on the top right hand corner. Then you get to report it. Now Google will take down the whole profile rather than just your review. It's going to the whole profile.